Welcome to my Sunday swings on the 18th of February 2024. I'm going to go through the trades from last week and I'm going to see what could be cooking for this week. So first of all, let's start with CADJPY. This is the trade I am currently in. I got in on Thursday, holding over the weekend now. It technically hit my 2 risk reward. Well, actually it didn't, but it missed it by 1.2 pips, which is great. So now we're going to hold. What I could suspect, my stop loss at break even first of all. What I expect is a pullback into this area. We use this as a resistance, going to pull back, use it as support to then push up, hopefully, and then I take profit around here. Then we have another major daily and weekly area here, which is why I'm taking profit there. So yeah, currently waiting for that. And then secondly, I didn't see this in the week. However, I could have taken this. It was NZDJPY. I don't know if I'd taken both, to be honest with you. This happened on Friday, but we had a really nice push up and this hit my 2 risk reward. So this would have been a nice trade here. How much? 2.1. And it happened in 7 a.m. London. And then yeah, so in about 12 hours, which was a very nice trade. I could have caught, but I did not. But you can see weekly was bullish, daily was bullish. We've had a nice break above this area. Use it as resistance, break above here, confirmed on the daily, then messed around, came back, confirmed the retest to then push higher. So really nice setup there. CADJPY, same thing. I called this on Thursday or Friday. I said we're going to get a pullback into here to then push up. We are currently getting a pullback, so we could look for setups on CADJPY. Same thing with EuroChef. Probably going to do another bounce play here of this area of resistance, which is now support. Same thing with AD chef. You can see they're all Swiss franc pairs. So same thing, exact same premise. Just take the one with more confluence. So we want the one with the highest amount of time frames heading to the upside, and then we could check the stochastics on the daily. They don't look the best here because at the top we need it to be lower to take a buy. EuroChef again, they don't look the best. CADJPY, they don't look the best. So we'll see what happens. GBP USD. Now what I can see from here is so what we're getting is a rejection from here, and we could have taken a sell last week, but we didn't because Euro USD had more confluence and it would have stopped us out with this wick. So we're getting a nice retest of the same area, which is a really strong area of support. Once, twice, 3, 4 times to then come back, retest it to then head lower. That's what I'm expecting. So this is warming up as well. Euro AUD. So what I expect here is a bounce off of this support zone. But if we, and when we get, I won't be taking a buy from here, first of all. Let's check the stochastics, how they're looking. 4 hour. Yes, they're looking really nice on the 4 hour. Really nice on the 4 hour. But yeah, I won't be taking a buy from here. I think the more confluent buy would be up here. So price would break above, come back to retest it, and we take it long. I think that's more confluent because we've been messing around here for about 2 weeks, and I don't like this area of consolidation personally. Moving on to the slight potential, we have USD CAD. So I would actually be looking for sells until we break past this area here. When we break past here, I could look for a retest and then to take it long. However, I will be looking for sells under this area for sure, or this area, which I will mark out right now. Right there. You can see once, twice, 3, 4, really nice level here. And then we could look for sells underneath it, because then we can be confirmed that we are bearish. So break under here, retest to head lower. So That's USD CAD. AU, similar thing. I think we're going to reject from this area tomorrow. I think this is more in a slight potential actually. So these are all slight potential trades I'm looking at. I'm going to put it in the Telegram, which one looks cleaner when I set my alerts up as well. But yeah, this does look nice. GBP Chef warming up again. Nice break above this area. Even though we're really bearish on this pair, I do think we could get a push up. That's what I expect. And then nothing on USD CHF, to be honest with you. Broke below my area. Euro USD, we'll see what happens at this zone. I'd like to take it short because all time frames are pointing down. Euro GBP, it might push off this. I do think it will, but I'd rather take this sell down here. Euro NZD, I actually marked this up, but I didn't take it for some reason. But it was a really nice sell. I'd be at a 2 risk reward right now. Well, aiming for. So this would have been a nice setup. UJ, similar thing. I think it's going to bounce from here. And by the way, I do this every Sunday. So if you want more validation for these trade ideas, go back from the weeks and then look at TradingView and the time and then see what I predicted if it happened. Because 90% of the time it happens because we're just following the market structure and the trend, which is basically all you need. Again, I'm very selective with the trades I take. I only want to take more high probability ones. GBP AUD, we did take a buy here and a buy here. It didn't hit my target by like 1 pip, which is really annoying. GBP CAD, I don't like this consolidation, but a break below would be expected. NZD CAD, again, not a massive fan. We're more bullish than bearish, so break above to retest and go would be more plausible. AUD CAD, a break underneath to then take it short would be more plausible as well. CADJPY, I think it's going to bounce off of this zone. We've broken out of this consolidation range. Euro CAD still in the consolidation range, do not like it at all. Euro JPY, I like it. I definitely think this is going to push up. I would have taken the buy here or somewhere here, but I don't like how the area of interest is not clear because we have 1, 2, 3, but it's not a strong enough area of interest for me, so I don't want to take it and risk my capital on that one. And NZD USD break above the zone to then take it long is what's going to happen. In other news, Bitcoin has been on a rampage for the past 2 weeks. So on the beginning of Feb, started out at around 42k and now we're at 51. So huge push up. We could get a pullback to then head up. Obviously, people are going to get in now and then stop orders are going to get taken out. So very interesting with what's going on in crypto. We can see GJ. I marked this up. Still said it's going to break above and then bounce off of it, which is what it's doing right now. And yeah, here's my other pairs of oil, treasuries, FTSE 100. Yeah. So that's my Sunday swings for the 18th of February. And let's see what we can catch this week. Cool.